What's going on, guys? Damon here, and we got an interesting video for you guys today. We're gonna be going to Boca Car Rally's meet. It is Saturday night, and we're gonna be having a meet at Wawa. The F83 M4 here. It is raining, so I don't know how much people are actually gonna come, but it should be fun. I just washed my car, so this is not exactly what we want, but it should be an interesting video today. I mean, I don't know how many people are gonna come or what's gonna happen, anything crazy, but it should be a chill, fun meet. Got a little leaf here. But I just parked up next to this building because I want some good lighting. What is going on over here? There are helicopters, so I don't really know what's going on with that. But yeah, we're just parking next to some like orthodontist building. But like I said, it is raining, so I don't know how many people are actually gonna come. We'll see how it goes, but I'm gonna try to get there early so I can get some good video, guys, that the car's coming in. But yeah, I'll see you guys there. That stock exhaust gotta go. All right, little update. It's starting to pour a little bit worse now. The roads are starting to get really wet. The meet is still on, it is confirmed. So I just don't know how many cars are gonna, show up. All right, we're pulling up now to Wawa. Are early, like planned, and it looks like we are the first car here. Oh, there is a G80 over there. Oh my God. Look at this fucking speedster. Holy shit. Wow. Look at that shit box. Kill yourself. It's an i8. Holy shit.
Traction control off and dig a huge hole. I'm gonna get stuck in that without that. There's no reason not to get stuck in that. That's exactly how I got stuck.
Turbo S. Damn.
That sounds good.
That sounds good. Sounds better than your car.
I'm taking that.
Got an AMG GTS. 228i, MP40i, G80. The RS3, F5 comp. This makes over 1,000 horsepower. I got riding this. I'll put a clip in right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, this shit's fast as fuck. Got some other cars, but nothing crazy. This is kind of lineup. I told you guys it was gonna rain, so cars aren't gonna be as good. Got the G80 and the Bill M5. This thing is fully built. It's so loud, guys. It's the Turbo S. So nice. Yeah, this car's crazy. God damn. New wheels are looking fire. Looks so nice. I look, you want to get this on my car. I don't know what wheels to get. But this thing is Gotta ride in it. It's fast as shit. Stock. So we got the Turbo S, which is a different level of speed. I can't lie, but yeah. Yeah. So Mustang, Golf, and a Hellcat 4-belt. Kind of late, but you know, this Mustang. This rain, you can't really do that much unless you want to slide it, but I mean with these cars, you don't really want to slide these motherfuckers, so. Alright, on the way back home now after the meet. It's raining pretty bad, but there are still some cars, so I got some recordings for you guys, got some people exiting, so that should be good. Again, if you guys like that RS3, look up B58 Law on TikTok. You guys probably seen this content. On the way back home now, and I'll keep you guys updated if anything happens or some shit. Maybe we slide a corner or two, I don't know, we'll see. See if I can record it somehow. So if the next clip is me sliding and there's a hard cut for me as soon as I end this sentence and it goes to me sliding, then you know why. That is impossible with one hand. I don't know how people do that while recording. That is hard as shit. I know what to do next time. I think I gotta record with my left hand and then spin and shift with my right hand. But that's for next time. So that's gonna be it for the vlog, guys, or the car meet vlog, whatever the fuck you want to call it. You're back home. It's back in one piece, and so am I. So that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. All right, see you.